Yeah, people, so Dan know it's your boy RB from Funfit. Done a video, buddy? Oh, you think so, big man? Oh, you think so? Oh, peeps, so y'all might be down Oisin Hill. Just got the van to go fishing. So, for one who never see Oisin Hill before, I can show one how Oisin Hill look. So we be going down Oisin Hill. Yeah, man. Reach to the top of Oisin Hill. It give you a bumpy road going down because there are steps. Yeah, and you're gonna be very careful. So you got to see the shape out there. If you look carefully, you can see Cat Peak boat out there next to the ship. I mean, see small boat right next to the ship. That's Cat Peak there. I can show you when he's coming to the jetty or when he comes to the jetty. People is actually exercising on these steps as well. So, and there we go. We gonna speed it up a bit, right? Yo, Mr. RB. I wanna ban out the wicked and the bad-minded people. So here what I got to tell them. Wicked and bad-minded people, they will never make it between just people. Rastafari support not evil. We man fire upon the wicked ones each day. Yeah, fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never estimate just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never play with just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never estimate just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never play with just fire. Some flat road here now. So see you guys when they get across by the fish market. They fishing today. Go diving. Just in case I miss a chop off jetty, I could still float, right? I know. Well, my belly is happy float, but yeah. I hit man, top diver. You should have your gear down here? Nah. Sure, boy. Look how pretty water look there. We would have gone and shoot some shellfish. You got your main? All you things, boys? Yep, yep. Part one of the lines is? She's on now when we making some money. Big fish too. Yeah, big. So you gotta do some fishing and hopefully to catch something. Boy, I was telling him about when I was up with the ship. Cat feet. Alright. Hermit crabs, my God, look at that look. Soldier crabs. Got to say? Using them as bait to catch chubs. Look at that, look. Jeez, oh, that is good bait. Why don't you break these? Yeah, but you want not the shell. Good bait, yeah.
One time.
That man catch a good size one, man.
You got big friends.
Check me, man. Got look. Check me, man. Show them what we wanna got. Show them what we wanna got, man. Tabbies, amber fish. Jeez, oh, man catching good fish. Man catching good fish. Gee, man walking, man. Man walking, man walk back better me, Paul. Man fishing. Gee. Man walking.
Is my fish not clean? poor fish. Look at my fish, Ryan. Ma, everybody clean that fish. You want fish to clean too? Thank you.
Well, peoples, well, half the day gone, and I ain't catch a fish. I ain't catch nothing yet. But God got here doing the thing, tossing some net, get some frizz. You guys know what frizz is for making fry cakes. Let me show one. Yeah. Let me show you people what's a fry called. Let me know what's a fry. Yes, people, so these are frizz for making fry cakes. They are very, very small. What you do, you cut off the head and pull out the guts one time. Look at that. Look at that catch there, look. Cheese. You see that catch? You see that catch there, people? They are similar to fish cakes, but taste way better and more fish. Way more fish than fish cake. Huh? More oil too? I mean, that full of good oil in. You was clean them too?
My wife cleaned that. Sometimes you clean it.
See how small that is? It's a very small, very, very small fish. Really good for fry cakes and, you know.
You make a man at a toss, maybe again.
These will make a good fish soup.
You go make a toss. You go left here.
So you see, ball the net up, like fold it in half and set the string. Yeah, man. So it's gonna do one more toss before you go. So let me see and hope that you do get some more. And gather the leather, make sure everything is clear. That my son up there by Jerry that. Still be yet. Rashad! 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 Come on quick! Huh? Not my son? Not my son? There's my son. Look how big you get, look. The people ain't still since the last video. That's Rashad there. See, he blink out with some shades, I think. So big yet. Huh? My chin? She. Ma, yeah. So yeah, a couple. Yeah. So I'm kicking in that. Kicking in that. That little one there. Put these on the hook. Put these on the hook. Yo, Mr. RB. I want to ban out the wicked and the bad-minded people. So here what I got to tell them. Wicked and bad-minded people, they will never make it between just people. Rastafari support not evil. We man fire upon the wicked ones each day. Yeah, fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never estimate just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never play with just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never estimate just fire. Fire blaze up, wicked scatter. Never play with just fire. Imagine a perfect world with so much beautiful there. I'm in love with God's creation. I could never find myself without one. But so much girls were added to you, say hello and them so rude. Make you stop and ask yourself what it is. Yes, people. I want to wear this fish here that we shot last night. $6. Jesus. So scale set at 0. About £5, boy. This fish is £5. Wow.
Tell you about people, can't call them not friends cause them too evil. Plus mama always used to warn you, a true friend is a friend who will pray for you. I give thanks to the Most High Jah. I give thanks to be a Rasta. I give thanks to the Most High Jah. I give